is gonna be pink, and this side is gonna be purple. I think. So the first thing we're gonna do is tape off a line. So let's do it.
Hello, everyone. So I don't really know why I decided to whisper. I felt like it kind of vibed with the ASMR effect. So yeah, anyway, right now I am marking off exactly a foot from the top left corner and a foot from the bottom right corner. And goodness, thank you for lasers, because if I had to eye this out, it would have been treacherous.
I don't know if you can tell, but the laser is perfect. It's right in line with the edge of the tape. It's exactly what I wanted. Why do I feel like I'm on an episode of River Monsters? That's clean. Now we get to paint. Lasers are awesome. I do it like that, like a freaking worm.
Our wall is all prepped, so the first color we're using is exuberant pink. The first cut is done with the pink. Now we're using Brave Purple.
Let's roll.
If you are wondering what tools I use for my painting projects, you can look at my Amazon storefront. It has everything you'll need from a brush to a roller. The first roll is done, so now I'm doing the second roll. And you will notice after I apply the paint to the wall, I'm going back over it with little pressure. We call this the feathering process. Now that I am done with the first roll, we waited about 20-30 minutes for it to dry, and I am applying the second cut. I get a lot of comments asking what brush do I use. Right now, I'm using the zebra brush, and it is fantastic, my goodness. Whether you are painting an entire room or just an accent wall like I'm doing right now, it is your go-to. It's only $10 to $12, I believe, on Amazon. You cannot beat that. Most high quality brushes run you from $20 to $40. After applying the second cut, now we are rolling for the second time, and luckily both of these colors only took 2 coats for each side. We are almost done with this project. The best part of this project is pulling the tape. It is a little nerve-wracking because all you can hope for is that the paint did not bleed underneath the tape. There was one little spot I had to touch up, but here's the before and here's the after. This homeowner I was working for wanted some bright colors in her craft room. As you can see, the ceiling is teal and the rest of the walls are white. I finished this homeowner's entire basement for free. All of those videos I have posted on my other socials, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, all under Alecpaints Official. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please be sure to sub if you did, and I'll see you next time.